Today we're going to show you the setup and connection for the S600 compressor quality analyzer, along with the isokinetic sampling device to measure particles below 0.3 microns. Once all caps are off from the device, we will use our first small Teflon hose to connect to the first inlet, and this will help us monitor or compress air particles. The air that runs through the isokinetic device will go directly to our particle counter, and this will let us know particles that go from 0.1 microns all the way to 5 microns. Secondly, we will grab the longer Teflon hose and we will connect it to the dew point and oil vapor sensor. Then we will connect our flow sensor directly to our S600 unit so we can achieve the proper flow rate. After that, we just need to plug in the power supply. At this point, we're ready to connect our treated compressed air supply. Please make sure that the ball valves and the needle valves are closed at this moment. Once the S600 unit is powered on, slowly open the compressed air valves. This will avoid any damages in the internal sensors. First thing we'll see on the screen will be the calibration date of the unit, and then we'll be able to see the numeric values on the main screen. This is where you can visualize particles, dew point, oil vapor, pressure, temperature, and flow. Then we can go to the main menu. This is where all our options will be, from guided measurement, files, service info, system information, communication, and sensor settings. For the purpose of this video, let's go to guided measurement first. In this section we can see three options: the guided measurement with manual stop, guided measurement with automatic stop, and our report manager, where we can see our files and reports. Here we can look at any compressed air quality reports and any other screenshots that you might have taken throughout a measurement. Before beginning a guided measurement, we recommend you adjust the settings and choose which measurement units you would like to use for oil vapor, particles, pressure, dew point, flow, and temperature. Once you choose the measurement unit of the sensor, you can go to General Settings. You got several options here. For example, password. If you want to protect the equipment and only certain people can use it, you can include a password to unlock it. You can adjust the backlight, adjust the brightness of the equipment, You can also calibrate the touchscreen. We recommend doing this every time you use the S600 for a smoother operation. You can also choose a language. SUTO offers English, German, Korean, Japanese, Chinese, and French. Date and time can be easily adjusted according to your time zone. When we go to device info, we can look at the model number, serial number, firmware, and hardware version of the S600. We will notify you whenever there is a system update that you need to add to your S600 unit. When we do, all you need to do is download the software to a USB drive and plug it into this port. Once you plug it into the port and click on System Update, the S600 automatically will download the software and update the system. Lastly, we have the reset button. This button will help us reboot the S600, but it will not erase any saved data. Now we're ready to begin our guided measurement. You will notice that this is a very user-friendly interface. First, you'll add your company name, tester, location, and measuring point. Once that's done, we click Next. You select the altitude over sea level, and then you choose what class of compressed air you want to monitor. You can choose from Class 1 through Class 5 on particle, dew point, and oil vapor, or you can choose Class 0 for customized options. Once you've selected your options, just make sure you're within pressure range, no less than 40 psi, and no more than 200 psi. After this, the unit will begin the self-cleaning, self-calibration process, which usually takes around 10 minutes. Once this process is done, all you need to do is follow the instructions on the screen. We will begin our process by opening both valves and making sure that the isokinetic sampling device and our flow sensor is measuring the actual flow. At this point, all you need to do is slowly open the needle valve until you reach the desired target flow. Once you reach the target flow, you press OK, and we're ready to start gathering data. Once you stop the measurement, the S600 will save the data and start generating a compressed air quality report. You can choose to save the data or discard the data. In this case, we're going to save it, and we're going to look at the PDF report. Here we can see the PDF report that the S600 provides. This report can be sent to a PC, or it can be downloaded to a USB drive. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need any additional support with our compressed air quality analyzers, you can send us an email at support@airtech.global.